welcome to my channel. Um, Thank you for hanging out as I clean out this car of the snow. Basically, I'm just sweeping because I can't find my shovel. So, yeah. So, did you get snowed in? We had a lot of snow from Friday, all of Friday into Saturday. It was heavy snow, and I wasn't coming out to clean the snow until it was a bit warmer. So today the sun came out and it was a bit nice one here to clean. So let's just, for this video, I just want to talk about this snowstorm, monster snowstorm that we haven't had in forever, and how it affected us and what I did, and thank you so much for hanging out. Please remember to like and subscribe.
Biggest snowstorm in 3 years.
Dumped 5 to 7 inches of snow.
Hey y'all, so we have a snow day over here. It's a whitewash. It's been going on for, I want to say, like the last over 8 hours, and it's a heavy snow accumulation already. Just check that out. I don't know how many inches this is, but it's cold and freezing, and it's that really good snow, the wet one that's good for like making snowman, but it's too cold for me. This is all the snow play I'm doing, and then I'm gonna go back in and make myself a cup of tea and catch up on some Netflix. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.
Five hours later.
There's a lot of snow all over. The roads have been cleared though, but everything is whitewashed and it's wet. It's still snowing. It's really wet and hard to walk around. The only human out here. Straight on the snowy day. Snowy day. And now I'm checking it out. To see.
Walk to a nearby park. It's starting to get dark, and as you can see, it's still snowing. Not many people
out in the park. Just a few kids with their families having fun.
Trying to make a snow angel.
The park is so beautiful. I love the way like the reflection of the lights look like cobwebs. Look at that. So cool. And the snow is just so white. Even with people walking in it, it's still just so white. That's me over there trying to walk up this little hill. Thank God for my nice Ugg sandals. I mean, did I say sandals? Boots. They're so good. Do you see those guys up there? They are actually going up the hill and then sledding down. So seems like fun. Okay.
I love the vibes of this tree.
I'm planning to walk up those stairs. No, I'm not gonna go sledding, but I just wanna go up the stairs because that's how I usually go up the park and then I see the city from up top. I wanna go up these stairs. No, I'm not gonna go sledding and check out this guy. I think he's about to sled down the concrete. Look at that. So cool, but so dangerous. No, no, thank you.
View from the top of the stairs.
Can you see the snow? It's just so beautiful seeing it from up here and the rest of the city just down below. This is a glorious view. Love it. Just gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Top of the hill.
Time to run.
I started going down the stairs. We call these the fake rocky stairs. They kind of look like the ones in Philly. They're like a little variation of the ones in Philadelphia at the Museum of Art. So yeah, just go down as I take in the views. It's just a whitewash everywhere, and the snow keeps falling and falling and falling.
Next day.
back to the park, and it is quiet and cold. I should have definitely worn a heavier coat because it was freezing. My fingers were getting frostbite. Thank you. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe.